Hello guys and gals, this is JT in LA. I'm back to get there and give you a review on the CNC small parts motor mount system for the Bixler. That's right. Bixler is a fantastic flying machine, and this modification here allows you to be able to better suit your Bixler with different types of motors, different props, very easily. This system consists of the mounting plate right here that you would get there and mount your motor to, and then over here is the motor mount itself that goes into the Bixler. You would remove the Bixler's present motor mount and motor, and that way all you'd have would be the styrofoam housing that all that was around it. And this piece here would get there and slide right into that hole. All you have to do is just glue this piece into the hole, making sure that it is horizontal to the system. Let that dry, and then mount your motor to this plate right here. The system comes complete with all the screws to get there and mount this plate to the stationary mount itself. And then up here you have your screws for mounting your motors to the motor mounting plate. Very easily done. And even though that this is in the Bixler, and the Bixler's motor is set up at an angle, and this mount is able to get there and slide up and down to accommodate the different props and motors sizes that you would have. It maintains the same factory angle, no matter if you're putting it up way up high or down to the regular factory setting itself. See, we get that going there like that. But I'm going to get there and set this to the back, and I'll show you one with the motor already attached to it. And here you go. That's how your motor would get there and attach to this motor mount. This back section here would get there and be inside the Bixler's foam part. As you can see, the wires for your motor come straight out the back of the tube. At the same time, you have that opening in the Bixler that allows air to get to the back side of the motor, and as you can see up in there, it is the same here. You're able to get there and still have airflow go through that port and into the motor, keeping your motor cool. Like I said, you can get there and take this mount and unbolt the 4 screws and slide the mount up or down depending on the size prop you're using. And right now the prop that is on it is a 7 by 5.5. So as you can see, this is a pretty nice system. You know, to be able to get there and mount your motors to on the Bixler and still have plenty of variety of props as well as motors. I can get there and put this jewel together real quick, like I said. All this is very nicely done. The machining is excellent. and it's very, very reasonable in price. You get there and set that up on there like that. Place your screws on it. And I'll get there and use one little finger to get there and steady this thing a little bit. And there you would have it. That's the whole mount itself. That's safe. And remember, the tube part goes in the section of the Bixler where the old motor once was. I was saying, you can get there and fashion these in different ways. You get there and unscrew that. Want to raise the mount up some, you can get there and go to the next set of holes. And then place your screws back in there. All your screws, and see, it's changed it, but the angle, the engine angle, will always be the same, no matter what position you put this mount in. Like I said, you can, with this mount, you're able to get there and use a variety of different motors and props. So there you have it. Like I said, I don't think you could get there and ask for any better craftsmanship than you'll find in this part here. I've been totally satisfied with it. I have 3 Bixlers. I've got 2 of the original Bixlers, and I have a Bixler 2, and I use this mount on all of them. Now, I have to elaborate on this a little bit. The Bixler 2 motor mount is a little bit larger in diameter here, but that's the only difference. So make sure to specify whether you are flying a Bixler or a Bixler 2. There you have it, friends. I know my friends would love to get there and hear from you. Again, this is a product from Small Parts CNC, and like I said, they're very, very reasonable, and you'll be glad that you bought one of these. So there you have it. Stay tuned for more reviews from J. Taylor in LA. Subscribe to my site and put an airplane in the air today. Don't forget, support your local hobby shops and dealers. Bye-bye.